Want to turn lukewarm leads into sizzling hot clients without lifting a finger after the initial setup? Let's dive straight into creating a powerful drip campaign on Kvcore. First, log into your Kvcore account and navigate to the Marketing Autopilot section, usually found on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Once there, click on the Campaigns tab. This is where the magic happens. You'll see options to view existing campaigns or create a new one. To start fresh, hit the Create Campaign button. This will open a new window where you define the essence of your campaign. Give your campaign a descriptive name, like First-Time Homebuyer Nurture. Then, select the trigger event that will activate your campaign. Common triggers include new lead, property inquiry, or status change. Now for the fun part, building your sequence. Click Add Action to choose what happens when the trigger is activated. You can send an email, send a text message, create a task for yourself, and more. If you're creating an email, craft your message with engaging content. Personalize it with merge fields like the lead's name. Crucially, set a delay before the email is sent. For example, send the first email immediately and the second email 3 days later. Repeat this process, adding actions and delays to create a multi-step drip campaign. Once you're satisfied, carefully review your campaign, and then click Activate to set it live. Now, Kvcore will automatically nurture your leads.